Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power and the dongle ready. This saves time. Charge the Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed to at least 50% so firmware actions won't fail. Once charged, plug the Hyperspeed USB dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port. Avoid front ports and hubs because they can add latency or dropouts. Then, press and hold the headset power button until the LED pulses. This forces pairing mode. Doing these steps first makes the rest quick and reliable, so you can pair without interruptions. Once the LED turns solid, your PC or console should detect the headset as a new audio device. Make sure you select it for playback and recording. If you want advanced controls, install Razer Synapse. This gives you EQ, mic gain, sidetone, and firmware updates that improve stability and latency. In Synapse, check for a firmware update and apply it. This may take a minute. Also, set system volume to about 60 to 75%, and then fine-tune in Synapse so you avoid clipping. Finish by testing audio and mic in a real scenario. Record a short voice clip, join a game lobby, and listen for clarity and latency. You should also run a quick responsiveness check, play a 1K HC tone, or use a punchy in-game sound to feel delay. Make sure sidetone is set so you can hear your own voice. If anything goes wrong, first reinsert the dongle, try a different rear USB port, and power cycle the headset. These steps resolve most connection and drop issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.